Hey everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set your Canvas homepage for your Canvas course. So again, like I did say a while back, this is a series I'm doing on my channel. This is the second episode. So the first episode has already been published. Go ahead and check it out. I'll post a link on the top right. But before we get started, hi to anyone new here, my name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos. So make sure that subscribe button is going to help my channel grow. Thank you. So let's get started with the video. So this right here is my little course I made for this YouTube class. There's no students, this is just for demonstration. So the last video I went over the course settings, how to go ahead and which settings you should adjust in here, the sections, navigation on the left over here, and apps you can include right here. So that was the other video. Again, the link was posted on the top right, so you go ahead and check that video out. And so this video, I'm going to be going over our homepage. So I'm going to be showing you all the ways you can set your homepage. So the default, Canvas always chooses usually modules, which is right here. Modules. So this is usually the default by Canvas. When you start your course, it will say create a new module, but don't worry, of course, you do not have to use that one as the default. Let's say you want to make it as a syllabus, a page, and stuff like that. So I'm going to be showing you modules, syllabus, and a front page. And the other one is assignments list. So if you want to have it set to the assignments, it'll take them to this assignments right here. So what homepage is, of course, is when they click on the course from their dashboard, it'll automatically take them to here. So whatever screen you selected, that will show up for them. So the first thing you want to do is click on course homepage or choose homepage. So you can do course activity stream, pages. So again, a page you choose, course modules, assignments list, or syllabus. So the first one is course activity stream. I'm going to show you all of them. So let's go ahead and click on save. So this is usually recent activity. Of course, they'll tell them like how many assignments are in the class, their grade, announcements, and stuff like that. So again, this one a lot of people don't pick because of course you want to have them take them to a good, a welcome page that's like, welcome to the class and stuff like that. So that's what that one would do, of course, because this one is a dummy course and does not have any students or users. That's why it's not doing anything. And again, it'll show like private messages between like instructors and stuff like that. The next one is the front page. So actually there is already a front page set. So all that is, we have to go down to pages, if I can find that, pages. This is where you will set your page. So you're going to get this page right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on page, create a page. And then here you can do a title. You need a title. Welcome to, to our course. And then here you can put like just hello students. And then of course, and then you keep on typing. And then you can add some like quick links, like adding some links to external links or a course link, like let's say to your syllabus. And then we're going to click on save and publish or save first if you want to edit later. And then we need to set this as our main page. So then it might take you back here. We need to find our new page. So we're going to go to welcome to the course that I just made right now. And then we have to click on the top right here. And we have to push use as front page. Otherwise, you cannot set it as your course homepage. So we're going to click on that. And now it says front page, as you can see. So now we can go back to our home screen over here. And then click on choose homepage. And then there we go. As you can see, we can click front page. And it's telling you right now that your main page is welcome to our course, the one I just made. So we're going to click on save. And then there we go. As you can see, this is the page I just made. So for example, if I had links in there, some details about the class, it will show up for them right there. So again, let's say they were from our dashboard, they click on the course, it'll automatically take them there. And there is a lot of resources out there. I'm going to go ahead and show you. If we go down to pages, there are a lot of resources out here that you can make cool pages. So for example, welcome to this one I made a while back. This one, you can have a cool theme. You can just Google like Canvas pages, like layouts, and it's usually an HTML format. So those are like coding formats, but then you just save it. So as you can see, you can have them to the syllabus, to modules, announcements, and contact instructor. These are links you can embed. And again, this is an HTML code. So if we go down to, when you get it online, you're going to see it's going to go ahead and look like this. You might think, okay, well, I can't fix this. All you do is go down to save once you paste it. And then it's going to go ahead and look like this. And then we can go on the edit button like normal. And then just here, go ahead and paste your link. So as you can see, it says link options. You can go ahead and paste your link to our syllabus page and stuff like that. So again, yes, there are a lot of more cool templates out there you can use. And let's just say you set a home page right now, like I did right now, our little dummy page. Let's say, okay, what if I found this cool new template? What if I want to make this as the new front page? You can do that. It'll overwrite the existing. So you're going to open the new welcome page. So for example, this is the cool one I'm going to do. And we're going to go to the 3 buttons again. And we're going to click use as front page. So now this is our new front page. So now when we click on, let's say, now when we go back to home, it's not going to show the other page anymore. As you can see, it's going to show you our new one nice theme or new nice page we made. So that is for pages. The next one is course modules that I said. So the modules is usually the one a lot of people do as well. So modules, this is where you can split work by, let's say, category. You can do like, you can split modules like homework 1, homework 2, quizzes, exams, and stuff like that. And then we can set this in order. So let's go ahead and create a little module right here. Let's just do demo. And we're gonna go ahead and add a module. So again, there will be a separate video for more in-depth on how to do modules, but this is, as you can see, you can create an assignment. So let's just say demo assignment and add the item. And then you could also create a lot of other stuff here on modules as a quiz, file, pages, discussion, text header, external URL, or external tool. So let's just say, please complete this homework. And then add item. And we can just move it like this. So this is what usually modules are really helpful for. A lot of people use this as well because you can split the work, add details, add pages in between, which you cannot do in assignments tab, on the assignments tab alone. So this is a good one as well. This is the modules. Of course, we need to publish once we're done. So now students can see. If we go to student view, there we go. As you can see, this is how it's going to look for them. This is the module we created. So again, if you don't publish the module, they're not going to be able to see the assignments or headers you add or files or stuff like that. So then they can click on the assignment and start working on it just like that. So let's go ahead and leave student view. So that is modules. Again, that's another like one a lot of people use. The next one is assignments list. So again, this is kind of like another popular one as well, but you cannot have it nice and split like this in modules. So let's go ahead and go to assignments list. And now it's just going to show you the assignment. So like, let's say the assignment category, how much weight you put in your class, like the assignments, homework, classwork category, and stuff like that. So then this is what students would see. Of course, setting one as the default does not mean the students cannot see the other category. So for example, now students see it, the assignments tab, but they cannot see that cool text header we added with modules. If they want to see that, they would have to manually go to modules. And there we go. As you can see now, it says, please complete this homework that I added right now. So again, that's one of the downside with assignments as your main classwork or homepage. They won't be able to see those cool, or if you add any extra resources for them on the assignment. Of course, if you embed it in directly in the assignment, they will still see that. And then the last one is Syllabus, which is another popular one. So Syllabus is right here. So we'll choose homepage and Syllabus, save. Syllabus actually is kind of out like a page, but it actually shows when assignments are due. As you can see, it says course summary. It will show them a calendar when an assignment is due. I'm gonna go ahead and change one of these due dates just to show you how it works. And then you can edit right here. So you can see it says edit. You can edit, you can add your syllabus. Well, welcome to our class. Here is our class syllabus. Reach out if you have any questions. And then again, you could add, once you paste your syllabus, of course, this is just a little demonstration. We can have like a link to something. For example, if you want to link it to an external syllabus you might have, you can bold it and stuff like that. And then make sure to click update syllabus once you're done so you can do those changes, as you can see. So then now this is how students will see. This is the syllabus tab down here. So let's go ahead and change the due date on the demo assignment I just did. Again, I'll make another video on how to create assignments more in detail. I'll show you all the types students can submit and stuff like that. So let's just go ahead and change the due date to today. I'm not going to add a lock date or available from. Again, I'll do a video about those in another video. So now it's going to show them on the syllabus tab. If we go to home, As you can see, it says Saturday, March 7th. This assignment is due at 11:59. Even once assignments are past due already, it'll still show on the calendar so students can see like if they miss an assignment, like, oh, I didn't do that. So we can go to view as student just to show you how it would look for them. Of course, they don't see an edit button because, of course, you only as the instructor can edit the syllabus tab. As you can see, when something is due, it tells them like at the top, Saturday, March 7th, make sure to do this assignment. So they can click on it. It will take them directly to that assignment on how to complete it. And as you can see, this is just a demonstration assignment, so there are no details. And that's pretty much it. That's all of the home pages you can set here on Canvas. There are a lot. I really recommend you look and play around with it and choose the one you recommend for your course. One of the popular ones I would say is modules and front page, and syllabus is another good one as well. So once you're done, make sure to hit that save button, of course, right here to make sure it does get set as your home page. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.